Welcome to the Hydraulic Press channel. Today I have brand new concept for you. Hydraulic knife. Because why not? As you probably see, it's pretty simple device. You take the hydraulic press, attach the knife, and it's ready. And the question is, will it cut? And I have really nice collection of things to try. I have the giant bone, paper, coconut, bicycle lock, coins. I think we are going to start from a reasonable and go towards less reasonable items. I think the bone is a good place to start. I think we can cut it, but the coins are going to be pretty tough and the lock. Okay, and with every crush we have two options. It's going to cut or the knife is going to explode. We are not going to run out of force. These are €7 kitchen knives and those can't handle 150 tons, that's sure, but can the bone. I think I managed to be wrong. It cut and exploded. So I was wrong. There was third option. And to be honest, the bone was also frozen because it was in my car. It was really cold. I'm not sure does it make it stronger or weaker. But I think this is a good start. Okay, and then the next one, coconut. And it's also a food item. So kitchen knife, food, should mix pretty well. Did it actually cut? I think it kind of cuts. It's only halfway through. So we have to also complete the second half. But it's going to be a combination of cutting and crushing. Okay, I think it's ready. The knife is completely fine. And also the coconut was in my car, so it's frozen because of that. I think you can eat this. And then the next one, roll of string. This should be really satisfying. I think it cut pretty well. We have still some here, but it cuts really nicely. Then the next one. Okay, and then you can't test a knife without the traditional paper test. And we are going to do this bit different. We are going to do the whole stack in a time and without this swooping motion. Just force it through. Ooh. Easy. Seems that we got also slightly the cutting board. Yeah, really clean cut. Then we have more advanced form of paper. Let's try a couple books. That tells it all. How about the one with the hard covers? Hey, I have the best first idea. Let's explode the book and the knife in one go. Okay, that was really stupid. But didn't break any windows. Okay, then we have classic Finnish Christmas treat, hockey puck. These are a bit hard to chew, so let's see can we slice it up. Ooh. Yeah, this is ready for the Christmas table. Looks really good like that. Okay, time to ramp things up. It has been pretty tame so far, but now bicycle lock. Steel against steel. Will it cut or will it explode? I'm going to say that it's going to cut and maybe also explode, but mainly cut. Okay. A bit more, bit more. Is this the trick that the bicycle lock salesmen hate, or did it fail? We didn't cut the steel at all. I think we have to go all in with this one. This was the first failure for the mighty hydraulic knife. Didn't cut shit. Actually, this was pretty amazing result because it was able to cut the plastic even from under the steel cable. So I have no idea how that happened, but it happened. Okay, I think this is the ultimate test. Coins. And I have on top some aluminum coins and then on bottom some brass coins. If it goes through the aluminum, I think the brass is going to be pretty hard. Yeah! At least. Okay, the knife clearly has slight problems. But look at this. Look at this. It cut these. It cut at least this one. So I call this a success. And the concept in general, this is great. I'm going to definitely try more objects and more knives. So please send me your ideas for things that I should cut. And also you can send links from Amazon Germany of the knives that you want to see here tested. I'm going to do giant knife test. So send those Amazon links for the knives that you want to see tested with this method. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.